Hello kids, let's write ABCD letters alphabet. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for quill. R for robot. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for x-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching.